Hi everyone, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony, and today we're making crispy Parmesan potatoes. These potatoes are going to be soft and tender and fluffy on the inside with a crispy exterior because of the Parmesan cheese. They come together very quick and they take about 20 minutes or so in the oven to bake. So let's get cooking. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need 1 pound of baby potatoes, salt, pepper, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of bacon grease. You can opt out on that if you want. You can add additional oil, and 1 tablespoon of oil. To get started, we're going to want to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We're going to take our baking dish, go in with our oil, get that spread around. I obviously didn't plan that well. Hold on. I'm going to get the oil spread around, just like that. And then with our Parmesan cheese. Perfect, and now we're going to slice the potatoes. For the potatoes, we're just going to cut them in half and go into this bowl over here because we're going to coat them in the bacon grease and the salt and pepper. Our potatoes are cut in half. We're going to go in with our bacon drippings, salt and pepper. Now this is where you can add an additional flavor as well that you would like. Maybe some pepper, some onions, some garlic, some Italian seasoning. It's truly up to you. Give this a little toss. And then we're going to place them cut side down on the Parmesan cheese like this. Then we're going to go into the 400 degree oven. We're going to check back on them in about 20 minutes. Alright, 20 minutes is up. We're going to check for tenderness. Perfect, just like that. It goes through perfectly, comes right back out. Now we're going to let this cool for 5 minutes to let that cheese harden back up. I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Now we're going to scrape all this off the bottom. The cheese should be stuck to the potatoes, just like that. Oh yeah. Break it up a little bit. We're gonna plate it up, let it cool down a little bit more, and we're gonna get a taste. Check those out. Super crispy. Let's get a bite. Excuse me. The outside is crispy, the inside is really fluffy and tender. The bacon drippings add a nice touch to it. It'd be great at a get-together, a barbecue, or even with yourself in the middle of the night. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.